This is Shiv-Gnana-Teja from Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology, pursuing a Bachelor's of Technology under the stream of Electronics and Communication. The main motive of this video is to demonstrate my project, which is done in the Salesforce and it is offered by SmartBridge. So I am here with a project titled Cosmetic Store Management. First of all, we create a developer account for performing any operation. After that, we create required objects, and here we created 4 objects named our customer, consultant, retailers and others. Now we will see where the objects were created and how they are. For this we need to click the gear icon and enter the setup mode. After that we go into the Object Manager for viewing our custom object. Here is the example. We will view the object named Consultant by searching it in the search bar. After clicking it we get the fields and relationships present in it. After creating all the objects required, we will enter the required fields and relationships. In unique objects, first of all, here is the fields required in our customer objects. In the same way we create a field in a consultant object, fields in retailer object and field in other object. See, here we have created the consultant object. In this we have created a many fields, for example, customer name and all. After that we need to create a page layout which is useful for how the application is visible to the end user. So here are the steps for updating page layout as per our requirements and all. After that, here we see page layout. The layout describes how the application is visible to end user and how it's manifested. After that we build a Lightning app. The Lightning app simply means it's an application where the project runs on it. So we create a Lightning app named Urban Color, where the store's name is also an urban color, so we choose that. After clicking on it we can see our created objects and in the fields and relationships present in it. And next we create a required profiles in order to manage the business. For example, we create a profiles like a manager, supervisor and other one is a marketing executive. We will create the profiles by using the provided steps. We can enter into the profile section by entering the name tag profiles in a quick find box. After entering into it we can view our required profile. Here we have created a billing operator profile. After that we set up roles. Roles is actually mentioned for predictions on the profile. For example, marketing executive have certain limitations on the application and manager have a certain limitations. So we manage those limitations. Roles, here we can find where the roles are. See how the hierarchy follows. After that we create a users. Users in the sense it may be a customer or anyone. See, here we create an user by using those instructions and we keep certain limited limitations on them. See how I am performing the operations. Here I have entered the users tag in the click find box and enter the user settings. Here the user is K. Amar and John Teddy. We can customize as per our requirements and the customer requirements. Next one is a user adoption. We can create a records based on the customer transactions and the transactions made by the company and others. Here are the instructions for creating our customer record. After creating the record, we can view These are the steps for viewing the record, and we can modify or delete whatever we want after that. As we are building the project readily, we use some ready-made customers. Here see we enter into data import wizard setting where we have uploaded our CSV file, where it contains different customers with their transactions and transaction types. We will see what type of data is uploaded in the monitor, but monitor by data load jobs after that. Here we see we have given a certain users with the transactions and their complaints whatever they want. We are gonna create a report from it. See, here is my recorder where the reports are based on my commerce operated value file. See, this report shows the transaction type made by the customers. After that we have the report right. From the report we can create the dashboard. Dashboard is a visual representation of a report. See, here we have created a dashboard for what type of transactions made by the customers. See, here is the report. Here 18 users made transaction using net banking and 3 users made the transaction using cash mode. So this is my project demonstrating the cosmetic store management. Thank you. Have a good day.